All right, on the bench today, I have the Mallory Brass Landscape Spotlight 1-pack. This is a 12-volt, low-voltage LED outdoor uplight for your house or tree lighting. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely. Nice-looking box. Inside the package, you are going to get the die-cast brass spotlight fixture with a bi-pin socket in there. And let me tell you, no joke, it feels pretty heavy duty. It's heavy in my hand. This is not your garden variety plastic landscape light. This thing's it's solid. You're going to get one 5-watt 2700K LED bulb. You're going to get an 8-inch PVC ground stake. You can see it's threaded there. It's going to match up there, and I'll show you that. I have a couple of things I discovered about this while I was messing with it that I want to show you. You're going to get two Drycon style connectors. You've got some instructions, user manual in here. The fixture itself is about 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches or so, and it's about 8 inches long. The brass body is IP65 waterproof, and it has a double O-ring seal inside of here. And there's a silicone plug in here for protection against weather. The head adjusts right here. You've got a thumb screw, and you can see you can get a little over 180 degrees on here, so that's pretty cool. Putting the bulb in, you're going to want to grab this and turn it. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. You turn it as far as you can, and you've kind of got to move it back and forth. It's not super easy, but you want to remove this as gently as you can. And you can see inside of here, we've got two O-ring seals. There's kind of little tabs in here that line up with these tabs to lock it into place. Now that we've got it apart, you can see the 2-pin connector. We'll put the bulb in. These are spring loaded. They're going to clamp over top of here, and you're just going to line these holes up with these pins and push it into place. And that's it. Push it back down on there. It takes a little effort. Turn it to the right, lock it in place. There you go. The way this threads in, you're going to run the wire through here and then turn this. The best way I found to do this is to run it through, hold this piece solid with the wire hanging down, and just turn the left side. That way the wire doesn't get twisted up. Before you put it in the ground, you're going to want to have it put together. So there we go. No twisting, no nothing. They've given us about 6 foot of 18 gauge wire coming off the fixture. Since this is a 12-volt low-voltage light fixture, it's going to need to be connected to a separate transformer, which is not included in the package. I'm going to use this waterproof transformer, wired up with the wire connectors they gave us, and we should be good to go. Okay, it's all wired up. Now it's just a matter of pushing it into the ground and pointing it to where we want it to go, and then we'll test it out tonight, see how it looks. So here it is in the ground right here. It is raining out too. You can see it highlighting that cedar tree. So here I directed it to the back of the house, and those trees are, I guess, about 20 foot away. So there you go. Something like this would be great for highlighting trees, obviously, or shrubs in a yard, accenting the front of a house or an entryway, lighting up a garden bed, pathways at night, providing uplight for landscape features, maybe some statues, all kinds of stuff. Very cool.